Hi friends, welcome to Hitify. One video I wanted to make for a long time is the reaction videos of foreigners, mostly Americans and Europeans, followed by other ethnic groups about Indian movie trailers, teasers, which praise India and its popular culture. Now, some of the biggest YouTubers in this category who have major fan following happen to delve into it by accident. For instance, based on some research I did, these guys, until last year, were reacting to Hollywood movie trailers and teasers but had a meager views and subscribers until one day a YouTube comment from a Messiah from India changed their lives forever. This person from India asked them to react to this Hindi movie Gully Boys trailer. They did it, got around 50k views, and guess what? This changed their lives forever. From that point, everything they made is for India and about India, and also learned a thing or two about India by traveling and talking to various people there. You also have a Californian named JB Koi, who is sort of a star for many people. Now, I'm not here to judge what they are doing is good or not, right? Now, they are smart dudes who must have tried out various career options and invested their time in understanding whatever they could about our cinema, our popular culture, as they realized that India is a lucrative market, and also they saw an exponential growth of their channels. It is not rocket science to understand why so many people have jumped on the bandwagon of reviewing every viral video of India, right? Yes, it is the views and the subscriptions. Friends, I stay in the same country where JB or the stupid reaction guys live. And one thing I can say for sure is that the common man over here don't give a damn about Indian cinema or Indian popular culture in general. If you just take Indian cinema, the only people who watch it are South Asians, consisting of Indians, Nepalis, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Sri Lankans, and some Malaysians. There are some from Arab countries and refugees from war-torn countries like Palestine, Lebanon, Iraq, Afghanistan who occasionally watch Hindi cinema if it has one of their Khans playing the lead role. Other than that, trust me friends, nobody cares. Americans have a huge sense of pride in the kind of cinema they make in Hollywood. Think about it, guys. Hollywood made the Star Wars series in 1970s. Even if you watch it now, you'll be amazed at how much passion and vision they had about cinema in general. The entire world is crazy about Hollywood movies, irrespective of which ethnic group one belongs. I'm not saying that all movies that come out of Hollywood are great, but I can say that the only thing common man in Western world knows about Indian cinema is the term Bollywood, which is all about running around trees, songs, dance, and traditional costumes. Likewise, Europeans don't watch Indian cinema as well as they cannot relate to the characters or the looks. European culture is quite similar to American culture, and most people end up watching the direct or dubbed versions of Hollywood movies. Now, about our own fellow countrymen. I must say, we Indians are the nicest people on the planet. Whenever we see someone praise us or praise our favorite artists, we become so emotionally attached that we are wanting to watch more of that content. We eventually subscribe to them, and guess what? YouTube suggests more similar content to you, and you will see thousands of reaction videos from various parts of the world to make us more happy. Now, most of these reaction folks are only going to praise anything and everything about India because the more they butter you up, more subscribers and views they get. Researching on any material is strictly prohibited in this reaction video space, as we Indians love to see these folks butcher the names of Indian people and places. Then we guide them through their journey to make them successful by suggesting the right kind of videos to react to. We have so much time at hand that whenever a teaser of our favorite actor releases, the teaser may last few seconds, but we browse through all the reaction videos of that teaser and spend hours getting orgasmically validated about how good the teaser was. Now, getting a little serious, right? I did some reading about these foreigner reaction videos and found that 70% of their subscribers are from India and rest of them are Indians living in foreign countries. Now, think about it, friends. Isn't it intriguing that foreigners pick a video like why India is the greatest country in the world and put up a mouth-watering thumbnail with Indian flag, and almost 100% of people watching these videos are Indians? If you think in business terms, someone in India puts all the effort to make an original content and a foreigner reacts to it to make some quick bucks and sell it back to Indians. Now wait a minute, doesn't it ring a bell? Isn't it what British did to us during the colonial era? To top it all up, there is absolutely no need to spend any time editing or content creation. Just have a cup of coffee at hand, play some random Indian video that has gone viral and react to it like a monkey reacts when it gets hold of a mirror accidentally and the video upload is just a few mouse clicks away. I may be sounding very harsh here, But the sad reality, friends, about all the movie and trailer reaction videos is that many in India think that the foreigners are learning a lot about India now and their favorite movies are getting popular in foreign countries, but nothing of that sort is happening. Just taking cinema as an example, right? Let's say in an ideal world, these reaction guys and girls get seriously impressed by our content and persuade their friends and relatives to go and watch Indian cinema when it releases in their country. That would be awesome, right? But guess what? No one does it. Most of them don't even know what languages these movies are made in, the background of the actors, or have any intention of watching the movie on OTT or theaters. They are just there to make some quick bucks during their coffee break by overreacting to our video. Friends, in social media world, there is a business mantra. If you don't pay for a service, you become the service. In other words, even though you don't pay for the YouTube service, both YouTube and channel owners make money by monetizing on the ads. And this is at the cost of your valuable time. Talking about the psychology of Indians who are lured to these channels, it is so evident, right? We haven't got out of the colonial era hangover yet. We are constantly seeking validation from the foreigners. It doesn't matter which foreign country it is. It could even be some random person from Russia, Africa, or even Pakistan. As long as they pick a topic that butter up Indians, we get flattered, get goosebumps, and immediately write comments about how much we adore them with suggestions on what video they should do next. What's ironic is that some of these reaction video makers pretend like deceiving their own country just to entice us Indians. For instance, Shashi Tharoor's Oxford speech about British owing reparations to India, which was a rage among Indians when he spoke, and guess what? Many Britishers reacted to this video, showing their frustration towards their own ancestors, and we Indians thought that the British folks learned their lesson and they may even return the looted Kohinoor diamond. Then a bunch of Pakistanis reacted to the videos that show India's military might compared to their country, belittling their own country. And guess what? We thought Pakistanis at last realized who the big brother is. Friends, as I end this video, India has always lured businesses from around the world as they have huge business opportunities here. This is true for YouTubers around the world as well. Foreigners who up until now thought India is snake charmer's land, who were so ignorant about India, have found this as an easy opportunity as it does not require any research or homework to get famous and make some quick bucks. I'm not saying that all of them are fake, but most of them are. Have you thought about why there is not a single successful YouTube channel where an Indian reacts to American or European movies or trailers or their popular culture? Because Americans and Europeans don't watch our videos and they don't need validation from us. Look, I'm nobody to advise you on what YouTube content you should choose to consume or reject, but keep in mind that there is a thin line between being nice and being naive or stupid. You can decide which side you want to be. Thank you very much, thanks.